Namaste. Today topic is PCOD or PCOS, polycystic ovary syndrome or polycystic ovary disorder. It's a hormonal disorder causing enlarged ovaries with a small cyst on the outer edges. The cause of polycystic ovary syndrome isn't well understood, but may a combination of genetic and environmental factors. There is some symptoms of PCOD and PCOS. People may experience abnormal absence of menstruations, heavy menstruation, irregular, short or light menstruation or spotting. Also, weight gain, weight loss or obesity. There is some common symptoms: infertility, dark patches on the skin, loss of scalp of hair or unwanted hair. So there is some yoga poses. If you try it in regular basis, may you come over PCOD and PCOS. Let's try. For PCOD and PCOS, we will try some yoga poses. So let's try. First yoga pose, it's called butterfly. Butterfly is very important for females and also beneficial for hernia problem, enlarged prostate also. So you can try this butterfly pose. You can try to keep your both of legs straight front side, and then you can fold your right leg right side, left leg left side. Keep both of legs very closely and lock your both of toes with cross finger. Back should be straight, neck also straight, and try it from 1 minute to 5 minutes. So how can we do butterfly? You can try move your both of knees slowly up and down, and according your flexibility you can increase your frequencies up and down. So you can try minimum 1 minute butterfly. Slowly try. Your knees vibrations, your legs vibrations vibrate your ovaries and joints of your leg. So slowly you move. Then you can sit straight. Release your both of legs once again front side. Then after second yoga pose, it's called Supta Baddha Padmasana. So you can try in straight leg or with fold legs. So first you can try with straight leg. Okay. So now you can keep your both of legs straight position and fold your right leg, bend your right leg, right hand and left hand. Keep back side of your body. Toes should be straight and down. With inhale, lift your both of legs around 60 degree. Inhale, head should be down. Feel some pressure on your stomach, shoulder, neck and both of legs. You can hold it minimum 10 to 20 seconds. Good. Now exhale. Down now. Once again we can try. Head once again down. With inhale, lift your both of legs. Head down. Hold it again for 10 seconds. Down your both of legs and relax. Down now. In third pose, you can try lay down on the floor, and after that we can repeat one time half Sarvangasana and Halasana. It's called half shoulder stand and full plow pose. So hands should be near your body, right and left side. Try to up your both of legs 90 degree with inhale and try to hold 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Release and down now. In second time, you can try plow pose, halasana. This is also good for PCOD and PCOS. So you can try to up your both of legs 90 degree. One more. Inhale and exhale. Very carefully you can keep your both of hands straight, toes back side, and hold minimum 10 seconds. And then inhale very slowly, down, 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 and carefully legs also down now. Relax for few seconds. Move left hand side and very slowly come back in Vajrasana. You can sit in Vajrasana. Then after you can try one more pose. It's called also Mandukasana. Mandukasana is very important for stomach, digestion and PCOD and PCOS. So you can sit straight on Vajrasana. Keep your both of hands on your stomach or your abdomen's area. Then you can take a deep breath, inhale. With deep exhale, try to move forward. Hold minimum 10 seconds. Inhale and exhale. Like this you can try Mandukasana. And one breathing exercise is called Kapalbhati. Kapalbhati also important exercise for PCOD. So how can we do? You can sit in Sukhasana. It's called Sukhasana, or you can choose any pose, which pose you can sit comfortable. So you can choose that pose and try to sit comfortably. Hands in knowledge posture, shoulders in loose position, your backbone and neck in straight position, and try to release your breath at least 20 times outside, and try to focus on your breath and on your nostrils for 20 times. So eyes should be closed, sit straight and try to release your breath outside. Inhale and exhale. Open your both of eyes. So friends, if you're suffering from PCOD or PCOS, my recommendation, if you try these yoga poses in your daily exercise, if you include in daily exercise, definitely you can come over PCOD and PCOD. Along with, you can take care of your food habits, you can eat healthy, stay happy. Thank you.